Hey everyone, welcome back to part 3 of my series where I'm building this cool web app that reads your Netflix and other user data to give you some neat stats and insights. So, in this episode, I'm diving into setting up the layout and the overall look of the main pages you'll see right after logging in, like the main page, the profile page, and all that. First off, I put together the main page design. You'll notice these 4 clickable cards, which take you straight to their respective sections. Super straightforward and easy to navigate. After that, I added a nice background to spruce things up visually and make everything feel a bit more polished. And the best part, I made sure the whole layout is responsive, so whether you're on a big monitor or a smaller tab, everything adapts smoothly without breaking. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave your suggestions in the comments.